Sciatic pain is something that's really common for a lot of people, and one of the things that we need to understand is where it's coming from. So first of all, it's really coming from largely how you stand. So for example, if I have pain in my right glute, that sciatic area in that right side, what I'm going to be noticing when I see myself standing is that left foot is going to be pulling my body away from midline, and that causes us to anchor on that right side, causing a lot of tension in that area. So I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do to address sciatic pain. So if you have sciatic pain on the right side, I'm going to demonstrate the lower belly, the left calf, and then the right sciatic area. That's what I'm going to do. If you have it on the left side, you want to do the opposite. You want to do the lower belly, the right calf, and the left side, because everything is equal and opposite in how the body gets pulled out of alignment. So again, I'm demonstrating if I happen to have sciatic pain on the right side. So the very first thing that we want to do is we want to activate proper diaphragmatic breathing, because this is how we're going to pump oxygen into that space which is necessary. So for this one though, I'm going to position it just below the belly button, right above the pubic bone on that lower belly. So getting into this, we just want to have that towel positioned. Then I'm going to lean right into that lower belly space. And now you can either stay up on your elbows or you can come all the way to the floor with the rib cage. Your breath is your guide, so you want to do whatever feels comfortable for you. The rule is, as long as we're breathing in a relaxed way, we are feeding and healing tissue. If anything hurts so much that it takes that relaxed breath away, that's your body letting you know this is too intense. If that's the case, try doing this on a bed. So as we're here, focus on inhaling the belly into the towel. This is a little challenging because it's the lower abdominal muscles that we're trying to integrate. So don't get frustrated, just see if you can get a sense that you're expanding the belly into that towel with that inhalation. You almost want to feel as though you're doing a bit of a belly push-up, feeling your body lift up toward the ceiling as you do this position. And we want to spend approximately 3 minutes here. And we also want to always be breathing in and out through the nose. So after you've spent about 3 minutes, just place the hands under the shoulders and slowly exhale up and off. The next position I want to share with you is the calf position. Whenever I'm observing people and their alignment, the way that the fascia will roll around the shin bone is what's really largely impacting the opposite side of the body. So again, if I have pain on my right side, I'm going to be addressing the left calf, because this is what's pulling me away, causing that right side to anchor, creating all that tension. If you happen to have pain on the left side, do the opposite leg to what I'm showing you. So we're just going to place the towel here, and then I'm going to put my calf right on top here. Calves can be very, very painful. There's so much adhesion in this space. So sometimes even just positioning your calf on the towel will be more than enough sensation. But if you feel you can handle more, just lean back, place that opposite leg over top, and you can even add a little pressure by pushing down. And then slowly, we want to search. If you find an area of pain, like right off the hop, as I turn my foot inward, I can feel a different level of pain. So I'm going to stay here for a few breaths. And then you'll notice as your breath moves into that space that the pressure fibers start kicking in and the pain starts to change in sensation. At that time, slowly start moving around and look for a new area of pain to spend time with. So we want to spend 3 minutes or so in this space. And then after you've done that, now I'm going to go to that right glute. So I'm going to have this on the floor. I'm just going to lie on my back, and then I'm just going to slide it right underneath that right glute, right in the middle. We want to get to the area of the piriformis. So right in the middle of that glute, the sciatic nerve runs right underneath there. And then I'm going to extend my right leg, and then I'm just going to slowly start to rock left to right, searching for that pain. Again, spending 3 minutes or so in this position. And then if you feel you can handle more intensity, you can bring this leg up and you can start exploring. If you find an area that's quite painful, you can stay there for 3 breaths or longer if you're called to. And then after that, you can continue to explore. We're searching for pain. Pain equals adhesion, and that's what's blocking flow to cells, causing pain. So we're basically looking for what's causing us to be in this discomfort, which is pain. And when we do that, combining that with the breath, we very effectively melt through those adhesions and create a release to this area, taking stress and pressure off of that sciatic nerve. So after approximately 3 minutes, you can just place that foot back on the ground, just lift up, take the towel away, roll to your side, and sit back up. And then a really great way to end this would be stand up, put both feet, I'm going to demonstrate this, put both feet right underneath your hip joints and grip the toes. We just really want to understand proper postural foundation so we don't continue to go into that negative alignment that's causing you the pain. So I'm just going to stand up here for a sec. So I want you to stand up. I want you to place the feet so that they're pointing straight ahead, basically right underneath your hip joint. So maybe only a couple of inches apart. Slightly bend the knees and then grip the toes and just hold for 5 to 10 breaths. Really important that we keep the knees bent as we grip the toes. This is going to help to create a more solid foundation that's more symmetrical to stop that pulling sensation in your body. Do this every day. See if this helps, and if it does, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe if you want to learn more.